Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are a gamer that is using Steam and you are actually playing some older games on a Windows 7 machine, be warned that today, January 1st, yesterday, was the end of support of the Steam app, which means there's no more updates to it. And what does that exactly mean for any gamers out there? What is the effect of this? Well, it simply means that now you don't have updates anymore. That means that on those machines, games might still continue working, but Steam does say that they can't guarantee they will work forever, meaning that at some point it's possible that games fail or don't work anymore, and there's nothing it'll be able to do about it at that point. The main reason why Steam is actually being discontinued for the operating system for Windows 7 and 8 is that it is based on Chromium, like Edge and Google Chrome and all the browsers out there except Firefox. The Steam app is actually a Chromium app. So that means that it has to follow the Chromium rules, basically. And we already had known that Chromium would not support Windows 7. So because of that, Steam has stopped updating itself starting January of 2024. So if you have games, like I said, they should probably continue working. But like Steam wants to say is they could stop working at any point, and there's nothing you can do about it. According to statistics that I was looking at, barely more than 0.5% of users on Steam were on Windows 7. So it's an extremely small number of people that were still using a Windows 7 machine. When we started talking about it last year, when Steam announced that the Steam app would stop working or stop being updated on January 1st, 2024, a lot of people were mad. A lot of people are on the impression that, you got to support things forever, which is not the case. When an operating system is not supported anymore, first of all, the operating system itself becomes a security hazard. Windows 7 is a huge security hazard, and the companies just don't have to continue supporting anything. It's the way it is. And a lot of people don't understand that the terms of agreements on these apps just tell you, you don't own the software. You purchase the right to use it. That right can be actually revoked at any time. So that's the way it is. It is sad because probably there are some games and some of those that are of old technologies that will not work on newer technologies. I've got games here from CDs from the year 2000 that are great that I would love to play again, and that just aren't supported. You can't, I can't install that on Windows 10 or on Windows 11, and they don't work. Some of them because they're using Flash technology. Some are using older technologies that aren't used anymore, and that makes these games unusable, over time, unfortunately. So if you're a part of the a little more than 0.5% who still has Windows 7 games on Steam, cross your fingers that they'll work for as long as possible on those machines. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.